Hey guys, how you doing? It's good to see you again. So we've been talking about three-dimensional shapes, and yesterday we described what they look like. Today we're going to build some new shapes using our three-dimensional shapes. So come on over, let's take a look. So I have some shapes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two of those shapes and I'm going to make a new shape. So if I were to take this round with two flat sides, this is called a cylinder, and I were to put this on top, now I have a new shape. It kind of looks like a piece of a castle. So what I've got to do is I've got to pick apart which shape I can make with these. So if I put this together, what you would need to figure out is that there's a cylinder and a cone. All right, so let's try another one. I'm going to set this one over here. What if I were to take this shape, this is a cube, and put this shape on top? Now I've got another new shape. And when I look at this shape, I need to know that there's a sphere on top of a cube. Let's try one more. I'm going to take this rectangular prism and I'm going to put another rectangular prism. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get crazy. I'm going to put the big one on top of the little one. So what I would need to know when I look at this shape is that there's a rectangular prism on top and a rectangular prism on the bottom. So let's go ahead and look at one of the pages that you have to complete. Looks like this. Oops. So at the top it says, use the rectangular prisms to make a new shape. So over here, they show me 1, 2 rectangular prisms. And then over here, they give me 2 pictures to choose from. And I've got to decide which one of these pictures can I make with 2 rectangular prisms. Well, when I look at this one, I can see that there's a rectangle on the bottom and another rectangle on the top. And when I look at this one, I can see there's a rectangular prism on the bottom, but on the top there's a cylinder. It has round sides. Can I make this shape using 2 rectangular prisms? No. So they told us already that this is the shape that we can make. So let's go down and look at some more. This one says, circle the new shape that you can make. And they give us 2 pictures. So right here we've got either a cube or a rectangular prism. I can't quite tell which. And then what's this one? It's a cone. So now we got to look at the 2 pictures that they gave us and decide which one of these can we make using these 2 pieces. So when I look at the first picture, I can definitely see the cube on top. But underneath, there's a curved shape with 2 flat sides. I don't see that shape over here, so we can't make this one. But look here. Here's our rectangular prism on the bottom, and here's our cone at the top. This is the shape that we can make. All right, one more. Here we've got a cylinder with 1 curved side that goes all the way around and 2 flat sides. And I've got a rectangular prism here. So now I've got to decide which one of these can I make. Oh, and it's a little bit tricky. I can see underneath this cylinder, there's a shape that kind of looks like a rectangle. I can see right on the front face a rectangle. And over here, I've got another shape that kind of looks the same, but when I look at it carefully, I can see that it's a square. So which one of these, the square or the rectangle, goes with this picture? The rectangle. And then I notice that both shapes have a cylinder. So this is not possible, and this is the answer. If you guys have any questions, you can always send me a message and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you so much.